Integrating Terraform with Azure DevOps enables infrastructure as code automation, ensuring efficient management and deployment of Azure resources. This process helps streamline workflows for building, deploying, and maintaining cloud infrastructures. Set up Azure DevOps. Create Azure DevOps project. Log into Azure DevOps and create a new project if necessary. Set up repository. Create a Git repository in Azure DevOps to store your Terraform code. Install Terraform and Azure DevOps extensions. Install Terraform CLI. Ensure Terraform is installed on your local machine. You can download it from the official Terraform website and install it based on your operating system. Install Azure DevOps extensions. Install the necessary Azure DevOps extensions to handle pipelines and deployments within Azure DevOps. Navigate to extensions in Azure DevOps to search for and install extensions such as Terraform. Prepare Terraform configuration. Create Terraform configuration. Write your Terraform code for the desired Azure resources. For example, version control. Commit and push the Terraform configuration code to the Azure DevOps repository. Create Azure DevOps pipeline. Pipeline setup. In Azure DevOps, navigate to pipelines and create a new pipeline. Configure Terraform task. Choose the Terraform task from the available steps and configure it with the necessary variables such as Azure subscription, service principal, and Terraform binary location. Run the pipeline. Trigger the pipeline to execute Terraform and manage infrastructure deployment. Managing infrastructure. Automation. Once the pipeline runs, Azure DevOps will execute Terraform commands to apply infrastructure changes, ensuring that your Azure resources are created, updated, or deleted as needed. Monitoring. Use Azure DevOps pipelines to monitor the success or failure of Terraform deployments and manage changes with proper version control.